Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. My name is ROHITH Donald and I know dealing with hair fall can be a bit imitating because hair fall can completely kill our confidence. So why not just, instead of getting sad feeling about the hair fall, we'll be able to just control it by controlling a day-to-day habits. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed to this channel till now, subscribe, press the notification to all, and you're going to see some amazing tips within few minutes. So tip number 1, shampoo and conditioner your hair at least 3 times a week. See guys, this is the worst mistake most of you guys are making, because most of you guys won't wash your hair at least 1 time a week. Okay, so what you must do is at least 3 times a week, like in Monday, Wednesday and Sunday, you must just wash your hair with a good shampoo and just conditioner it. So what actually happens is it removes all the dirt from your scalp and it promotes hair growth. And if you're not washing your hair properly, what happens is then all the dirt just gets clogged into your scalp and it does not promote hair growth. Okay, so it leads to hair fall. So remember this, wash your hair at least 3 times a week using a good shampoo and a good conditioner. Tip number 2, don't shampoo your hair every day. See guys, like in the first tip, as I said, we must shampoo your hair at least 3 times a week. But the same mistake can be happened. Some of you guys will be washing your hair daily using shampoo, thinking that your hair will be clean always. Yeah, your hair will be clean, but the thing is, if you're washing your hair daily with the shampoo, then it actually washes off all the natural oil from your scalp, leading your scalp to be dry. And a dry scalp is more effective to get a dandruff, and dandruff then finally leads to hair fall. So tip number 3, be gentle while towel drying your hair. See guys, most of you guys make this worst mistake, and this is a simple mistake that leads to hair breakage or hair damage. Once after you finish showering, you just come out and you just take a towel and just start drying your hair. But most of you guys will be rubbing your hair too hard, and that will tuck and pull your hair, leading it to damage. So don't do that. If you are towel drying your hair, towel dry gently and softly, like you are giving a massage. This will regularly, if you are doing this regularly, like just giving it a massage and drying it, I am promising you guys, your hair will regrow, because when you are just massaging, it just promotes blood flow to this entire area and it just promotes hair growth. Tip number 4, don't comb your hair when it is still wet. See guys, you must keep this in mind. When your hair is wet, it is more sensitive to damage, right? So when you are combing your hair with something like this brown brush, you are going to tuck and pull your hair, which will damage your hair, and when it is wet, it is going to damage your hair more than regular times. So it causes hair fall. So if you want to comb your hair, comb something with this. So don't comb with something like the round brush or rollers or something like that. It completely damages your hair, so don't do that. Tip number 5, don't be in showers too long. See guys, this one can be so simple, and this will be the tough part for most of you guys out there. See, if you are being in shower for more long than 15 minutes, then scientifically it's proven that it can damage your skin as well as your hair due to the humidity produced in the bathrooms. So don't stay in your showers for more long than 15 minutes. Tip number 6, limit the use of hairstyling tools. I know this is the thing which even I can't control, okay, because I am a person who regularly use the blow dryer, and yes, you must control the use of heat styling tools, because the massive heat produced by these tools can damage your scalp. But if you are like me, if you want to blow dry your hair daily, or if in somehow you want to use some heat styling tools, keep in mind that before you use that, just try to make sure you are applying some heat protectants to your scalp. By applying that, you are getting a protection from that massive heat, because applying a heat protectant can protect your head from that massive damage. And if you don't know how to use a blow dryer, I suggest you to watch this video in the I button there, so that you won't damage your hair, because using a blow dryer without knowing how to use it can damage your hair very badly. So I recommend you to watch that video in the I button, so you will know how to use a blow dryer. Number 7, don't stand on direct sunlight. See guys, yeah, sunlight is good for health and also sunlight is good for skin, but I am telling not to go and stand under direct sunlight from a time of from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Just imagine the hotness of the sun from the 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. It's just burning everything. So imagine you're going and standing under that and you will just burn. So it's very worst feeling ever to happen for your hair, because when you just go and stand under the sun, it's going to put that massive heat onto your head and scalp, and just finally, yeah, you will get hair fall and dandruff, and many problems can be caused, not only for your hair, for your skin, and many other problems can be occurred if you are going to direct sunlight without any protection. Tip number 8. So like I said, if you're going and standing under a sunlight, make sure you have some sort of protection for your hair as well as your skin. So if you're going, if you know that you will be on sunlight for more long periods of time, just take a small hat with you or just an umbrella, because putting a hat into your hair can prevent the hair from getting so much damage due to the direct sun rays. Then also I recommend you guys to take some shades. Then it is better to stay under some shades than going and standing before the sun, because it will literally kill your hair. Tip number 9. Don't go to bed when your hair is still wet. What actually happens with this tip is, when you imagine that you are going to sleep when your hair is still wet, you will be doing like this. You will be rubbing your hair with a pillow, and finally when your hair is wet, as I said, it is more sensitive to getting damaged. When you're rubbing your hair into the pillow, finally it will occur as a form of breakage, hair breakage, and finally it will lead to hair fall. So don't go to bed when your hair is still wet. Tip number 10. This is the most important tip than ever. Stay hydrated and keep a control on your diet. See guys, regardless of what you do, this is the most important key, right? If your diet isn't good and you are dehydrated, it probably kills everything. So what you should do is, you should concentrate eating more vegetables and vitamins, which is good for your hair as well as your skin. And also stay hydrated, because staying hydrated and eating healthy gives you a better lifestyle, makes you happy, even makes your skin better, and also it will promote hair growth. A pro tip: try to apply a hair mask at least one time a week, like some coconut mask or any mask that will promote hair growth. Okay. Number 11. If you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, because then you're going to improve your style a lot more than before. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video, share this video, and comment if you have any doubts. Also follow me on Instagram. You can message me directly on Instagram and Twitter at ROHITH DONALD, which I'll be linking in the description. And also, if you don't know how to use a blow dryer, check out the description so you can learn how to use a blow dryer. So till then, my name is ROHITH DONALD. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.